This is my 15-minute standing cardio abs, and as your qualified trainer, Lucy Wyndham-Read, I've put together 15 of the best ab exercises. Now these are going to really help to get your heart rate up, so they're cardio, but they're also going to really strengthen and condition your abs and your core, and we're working through the waist as well, so it's a really lovely ab routine. And I'm going to be doing it with you in real time. We're going to start with doing a quick little warm-up, bit of mobility, and then straight into the workout. So if you're ready to start working your abs at home, let's get started. So we're just going to work on doing this quick little warm-up. Just follow along. We'll just do 10 of these side steps. Just draw the arms in. This is just going to really help to just prepare all your joints and muscles for the workout ahead. And now take your arms up. Let's just go for doing 10 of these knee bends. Draw the arms down. And this will also help increase your core body temperature. And now take your arm across. So do a little bit of a punch and a rotation. This will also really help warm up those core muscles. All right, that's good. Nice full control, just as part of your warm-up. So now we're ready for your workout. So I'm just going to preview you the first move, so just watch. This is move number 1, which we're going to be doing for a duration of 45 seconds. So get ready, step 1 foot behind for me, arms up. Now draw that knee up. So on the left, that timer bar represents 45 seconds. This is move 1 of 15. And you can see also here, I'm highlighting all the muscles that we're working, your abdominal ones for this specific move. All right, that's good. Just keep that going. So you draw that knee up and draw those arms down. So it's like doing a standing ab crunch. Change legs for me now. Same move, just opposite leg. And also in the top right hand corner, you can see your 15-minute countdown for the workout. Draw that knee up. That's good. Keeping that going. Keep those tummy muscles pulled in nice and tight. Once we've done your 45 seconds, what we're going to do, we're just going to have 15 seconds, just march it out, just get your heart rate back down. We're still going to keep moving because remember, this is a cardio workout. So you can see your next move coming up. This one now, we're going to be doing standing nice and tall, and just lift your knee up and take the opposite elbow across. So this move 2 of 15, and you can see here muscles that we're working now, working a little bit more into your waist, working what's known as your obliques, as well as that deepest transverse abdominal muscle. Upper body stays nice and straight. That's good. Keeping that going. And the great thing is with this workout, this is really good. Perhaps if it's an area that you're wanting to work around the abdominals, perhaps if you're holding a little bit extra belly fat, this will really help reduce it in a healthy way. It's not about getting a six-pack. This is just about health. So it's about doing the cardio as well as working through those abs. All right, that's good. All the way to the top on there. That's good. And just march out. So just keep stepping with those feet, go from side to side. And let's have a look at your next move coming up. So this is a really lovely one. We're going to just swing the arms from one side to the other, and you're stepping 1 foot behind. So just swing those arms. So this one here is again another really lovely rotational move. So we're really specifically now targeting and shaping through your waist. We're working what's known as your internal and external obliques. That's good. And again, each of these moves, just 45 seconds. We've got no repeaters. And the last 2 moves are the best ones. We've got a really new one as well. So let's just keep going. And just think why you're here. What you're doing right now is you're taking control of your health. You're looking after your body. This isn't about trying to change your body. It's about working with your body. That's good. And just keep swinging those arms side to side. All right, and just march out. Take deep breath in, deep breath out, and let's have a look at your next move coming up. So for this one, we're just going to be doing straight leg kicks. So the key here is to keep that upper body nice and straight as you extend that leg up. So kick that leg in front, aim to take the opposite hand towards the opposite foot, and keep those tummy muscles pulled in tight. So on this one, we're working, activating a little bit more through your rectus abdominis, that's the long muscle at the front, as well as your deeper muscle, transverse abdominis. And of course, with all these moves, you're still working your legs, you're working your glutes, you're working your arms, you're working so many muscles. I'm just highlighting specifically the abdominal ones. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. Doing really well. Again, really just think about drawing those tummy muscles in really tight each time you lift that leg up. Okay, that's good. And just release. Let's just take that to a little bit of recovery. And just have a look at your next moves. This is a really fun one. We're going to do cardio ab punches, and that's all we're going to be doing for 45 seconds. Now this, you'll be amazed how much this really gets your heart rate up. So just keep going from one side to the other for me. And this one here is amazing to really shape and sculpt your waist. So we're working those internal and external obliques, plus we're really activating that transverse abdominis, that deepest core muscle, because it's having to work hard every time you punch from one side to the other. It's working on your stability. All right, that's good. And you'd be amazed as how quickly we can get out of breath with this exercise as well. Let's just keep going all the way to the arrow reaches the top. So 45 seconds each move, then 15 seconds recovery. Doing really well. All right, that's good. And just release those arms. Swing through the arms. So we'll have a look at the next move. This is a really lovely one. Again, just working through the waist. So let's come into a split stance. Now reach over for 4. And now take it to the opposite side. Go 4, take it 3. Let's go 2 and 1. And then change sides. So knees stay bent. Your upper body is staying straight. You're just reaching across. You're trying to take that hand over to the corner of the opposite side in the room. I'm just changing position so you can see. It's really important we don't lock the knees out, and it's just alternating, going, reaching across from one side to the other. Always again through 4. And the great thing is on the diagram there, you can just see those areas that you're really working. So just visualize them getting stronger with each move. All right, let's just march it out, and we'll have a little look now at the next move coming up. For this one, we're in a split stance, and you take that leg behind, you bring it in front. So it's a bit like doing an ab crunch with a twist. Draw that knee up, swing the arms across, and drive that knee forwards. Just make sure when you're doing this one for me that your knees, your toes, hips, everything is pointing forwards from your lower body, and then you're just swinging those arms across. So this is a really powerful move to really shape and sculpt through your waist. That's good. And just change legs for me now. Drive that opposite knee up, and again, toes, knees, hips, everything facing forward. So it's just the upper body that you're adding that little rotation. And really embrace those core muscles, keep them in really tight. That's good. All the way to reach your top, and just march it out. Side to side, take a deep breath in, just release the arms, a little bit of recovery. So your next move, this one we're going to be traveling forwards for 4 and then back for 4. And just imagine that you are rowing. So you're going to take your arms from one side to the other. And here, really just picture that you've got resistance there. So just really work those muscles as hard as you can. And this one, once again, doing a lot here for those internal and external obliques, as well as that deeper core muscle. Traveling that forwards and back. So we're well over halfway on this workout today. That nice and strong, keep that focused, travel that around the room. And of course the great thing is with this, as I said, it's also cardio. We're making your heart stronger, your bones stronger. It's a full body, as well as really working through your abs. And well done. All right, let's march out. Just take that heart rate down a little bit, and then we'll just have a look at your next move coming up. So this one, we're going to slow it right down. So really lovely move here. And we're just going to cross your arms over your chest, and you're just going to draw the knee up, hold, and then lower. Opposite knee comes up. So it's a super slow march. And by having your arms crossed over your chest just means we're really now engaging those core muscles. So we're really, really intensely working that transverse abdominis, that deepest muscle on there. And also we're really working those that we're activating because they're helping stabilize you, that top muscle. Now, if you want to make it a bit harder, extend both arms above your head. And the key with this move, the slower you do it, the harder you work. All right, that's good. Keeping that going, doing really well. Draw that knee up. Keep those tummy muscles pulled in tight. All right, and just release. Just march out from one side to the other. So let's have a look at the next move. Now this is a really nice one. We're just going to go back to doing some lovely waist work, working through your waist with these bends. So you want to just be standing with the feet slightly wider than hip width distance apart and just reach from one side to the other. So this is move 10 of 15. Keep those knees slightly bent for me. And just really, as always, work through your fullest range of motion. Just keep going from one side to the other. That's good. And really feel that working through the waist. Keep those knees slightly bent. Each time reach a little bit further. Just increase your range of motion each time. So this will be really good for your trunk flexibility as well. That's good. Keeping that going until we reach the end on there. All the way to the arrow reaches the top. And then let's just get ready. Just march it out for me. That's good. Just keep moving those feet, just going from side to side. So we'll have a look at the next move coming up. So this one, in a split stance, you're simply drawing that knee from behind. Just have the arms out and you're just drawing the arms in as the knee comes up. So nice, easy move. Step the foot behind, draw that knee up, pull the arms in. And if you are really working through those abs and you want some advice just on healthy eating recipes, I've got loads on my website. They're all free on my blog page, so do go and check those out. Draw that knee up, that's good. Keep those tummy muscles pulled in really tight for me. Let's change legs and just drive that up. So I'll leave a link for all my blogs at the end of the video. You can also find it in the description. They're free. You don't need to subscribe to any emails. It's just really valuable information there that will just really help with you on your health journey. All right, that's good. Keep that going. Drive that knee up and all the way to the top. Well done. All right, so let's just march out side to side. And we'll have a look at the next move. So this one here, we're going to do upper body twist. So we're doing these rotations for 4, then we're adding in a knee to it. So go 4 to start with, and now take the knee across, 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 and again back to just doing those sets of 4 where we're just rotating through the upper body. So this one here, you can see the muscles you're working. We're back into working those obliques, internal and external ones, as well as that deepest core muscle. Focus on keeping that upper body lifted, nice and tall for me. And knees are always staying slightly bent. Doing really well. Just keep going from one side to the other. Keep picturing where you're working. Feel those muscles working. Those are the muscles that are helping you control this move. Over to knee, opposite elbow to knee. All right, that's good. Just march out. Step those feet from side to side. Deep breath in, deep breath out. And next move we're going to be doing is we're doing sets of 4. We'll do cardio punches and then 4 cardio kicks. So let's start with those 4 power punches and 4 kicks. Now you can see on here, this one is a real full body one. So we're working obviously arms, legs, but we're also activating for stability. It's what we call a stabilizing muscle. So we're working through the rectus abdominis as well as the waist muscles and that deepest core one. All right, that's good. And put power between every punch for me. You are getting fitter, you are getting stronger. We've nearly finished today's training. So let's keep going to the end. Add power in that kick, that's good. Give me those punches and keep adding those kicks, doing really well. All the way to that timer reaches the top, those 45 seconds on there. And let's just go for a couple of punches. Well done. All right, just march out side to side. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Let's have a look at your next move. So this one, we start with doing 2 where we're just rotating the arms from one side to the other. Then you step the foot across. So you take the arms to one side, hold, other side. Now do the same, but add in a tap back foot on that one. Really lovely move here. Again, a really nice one for rotation. So we're working the waist and working through that deepest core muscle. Just keep going. So I've saved the best till last. We've got one more after this, so let's just keep going. And do come and find me on social media. I'm on all different social media platforms. Just come and let me know how you're getting on your health journey. If you've got any questions about your training, let me know in the comments down below here on YouTube as well. All right, that's good. Last little bit, let's just keep going. Give me that rotation from one side to the other. March out. All right, so let's have a look at my favorite new standing cardio abs move. So this one, you're going to start in the position as if you're in a big wide star, both arms up. And then what we're going to do is you're going to draw one arm down. So you're taking the knee over towards your opposite elbow, opposite knee rather. And the great thing is with this, because we're in such a wide stance, we're really working all those muscles hard. So you can see here we're using lots of stabilization muscles, so we're working all those key abdominal muscles that we need to fully engage. Keeping that going, doing really well. So this one here, it also challenges your balance. It's great again for your legs and your arms. And the slower you do it, the more control, the harder you're working, the deeper we're working through those abdominal muscles. Last little bit, keep going, doing really well. Last bit, nice control, squeeze that tight, and well done. All right, just keep marching for me, just until that timer, we've reached the end on there. So last little bit, just really get that heart rate back down for me. And as your qualified trainer, I'm always here to give you the best workouts. If you've got any questions, always let me know in the comments down below. There is your high five. So well done. Now, if you want to do a little bit more toning, perhaps there's a specific area you want to focus on strengthening a bit more, then don't forget I've got my 5-minute playlist. You can click there and scroll through. There is something there for near enough every body part. And then if you are done for today, click over here, come and do my cool down stretch. And really well done for today. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.